As an attorney that is consulted by a lot of people over a given year, let's say, about timeshare, my first question to that individual is, how long ago did you make the purchase? Very rarely will I ever hear within the last 10 days. If somebody says to me, I just bought it and I have a ton of paperwork here and it contains things that say public offering statement and legal language that I don't understand, and I recognize now that I'm in a little bit over my head, can I consult with you immediately about my timeshare? If that happens within 5 or 10 days of the purchase, I would advise them that they still are within the time to rescind their purchase contract. The rescission period goes from 5 days to 10 days, depending on what the state of purchase was. In Florida, I can tell you it's 10 days, but it's no more than 10 days in any state that you purchase in. If you can rescind your contract within that rescission period, you get your money back that you've put into it. No questions asked, no fight, nothing. It's a clean break. That is the one thing the law allows a consumer to do. The logic is that they have this 5 or 10 day period to read over their contract. Even though they've signed the contract and left the table, they still have this extra period of time that if they are diligent and they rescind their contract within this 5 or 10 day period, then I can say to them, number one, you don't need my services, you can do this yourself. And number two, you'll get all your money back. If it's beyond that 10-day period, my conversation with that potential client changes dramatically, because I know that the resort is not going to be inclined to let that individual go under almost any circumstances. Once the rescission period that the law has provided to this consumer passes, the resort is totally in control of that transaction from that point onward. And it's going to be a far different story. But whenever you think you need an attorney, you probably need one.